How to delete your Amazon Prime Video account permanently. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily delete your Amazon Prime Video account permanently. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Prime Video app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, to the account that you want to delete, then what you need to do is on the bottom you'll see the navigation bar, tap on the My Stuff, and here you have an option to switch profiles and head over to your settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the settings menu, and once you get to your settings you have an option called My Account, so just tap on it. Now you have multiple options here. You can manage your account, then delete your account and sign out. So if you want to delete your account, you just have to tap on the second one. And here you have to read this carefully, because once you submit the request for the Amazon team to permanently close your Amazon account and delete your data, so once your account is closed, all of the products and services accessed through your account will no longer be available to you across the Amazon website globally. It includes all of these Amazon services like AWS, Amazon Seller Central, Amazon Business, Associates, Flex, Prime, Pay, and all of these. So you won't be able to use your data on any of these websites or platforms. And once you are sure, you can just choose your reason and then tap on yes, I want to close my account, and then tap on close my account. Then after a few hours, your account should be permanently closed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.